welcome everyone to what will shortly be Ocean City, Maryland. And if you plan on coming into town over the next few months, you can expect the two incoming eastbound lanes to be closed due to the work being done on the drawbridge. So that means that both the incoming and outgoing traffic will be using the two westbound lanes. This is important work that's being done to maintain the integrity and structure of this drawbridge because it's 83 years old. It first went into operation in 1942, and it's a movable bridge. At least the draw part is. And it's been operating under some of the harshest conditions you can imagine over 8 decades with the nor'easters, the tropical storms, the hurricanes. Of course, you can see the snow cover today, so sometimes it has to survive the inclement weather. And so there's a lot of work that needs to be done on a yearly basis. It shouldn't be that much of an inconvenience for everyone most of the time. There could be some small delays occasionally, and it could be a little bit bigger delays for the Martin Luther King weekend and probably in February for the Seaside Boat Show. Other than that, I don't think it's going to be a major issue for most people, but we're just letting you aware of the fact that the two eastbound lanes will be closed. So that's all I've got on that subject. But since we're coming into town and we did have a fairly significant snow event recently, I'm curious if the town needed to haul some of the snow over to the inlet lot like they've had to do in the past when we've had big snowstorms. Now, I don't think that they've been piling up the sand, rather the snow, sorry about that, the snow, because I haven't seen any trucks hauling the snow away, because it only snowed about 6 inches and then it rained, and then it snowed about another inch. Usually, when we get at least 12 inches, the snow is significant enough that there's no place to put it, and they have to haul it away somewhere. And 3 years ago, they had to haul it up here to the inlet lot and just let it melt. So we'll just check out the scene here at the Hugh T. Cropper Inlet lot and see if we have any piles of snow up here. And I don't see any big mountains of snow. So like I said, it wasn't quite that big of a snow that it became an issue, although it's very difficult walking on the sidewalks in town after the plows cleared the street. But they did a great job clearing the streets, and we can all get around just fine. So that's the report here. Like I said, be aware that there could be some small traffic delays if you're coming into town over the next couple months. Hopefully the work will be done by the middle of March. But as you can see, this is pretty tough working conditions that these crews are under. And we should thank them so much, the men and women that have been maintaining that draw, like I said, for 83 years, because it's no easy task keeping that draw in order. And from the budget woes that Maryland is experiencing right now, I don't think there's going to be a new bridge over Senapuxent Bay for Route 50 anytime soon. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and take care and drive safely.